I have played out the scenario of what I would do if someone broke into my house in the middle of the night literally dozens of times. Let's be honest, every guy has. But I can honestly say that I have never thought through anything like this. This is insane. This video is sponsored by Eclipse holsters. These holsters are insanely customizable with tons of different patterns, colors, belt clips, and aluminum washers. They also have some really cool custom accessories to go with your holster. I've been to their factory and seen their process firsthand. They care so much about the quality of every holster that they make. The best part is that your holster will ship in just 3 business days or less. If you want a custom holster with 0 wait time and a lifetime guarantee, then check them out at eclipseholsters.com. What is up, guys, and welcome back to Self-Defense Encounters, where we break down real-world self-defense videos so that you can learn from other people's stupid decisions instead of making your own. This video is the craziest home invasion that I've ever seen. This guy wakes up in the middle of the night to someone rummaging through his kitchen. I don't want to give away too much, so let's watch as the homeowner comes down the stairs, and then we'll talk through what the heck happened and what we can learn from it. Buckle up. Let's watch that part again.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Was the door open?
No, it came to the screen.
Is there another one? Hey, stay there, it's okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, are you okay, Marty?
Yeah.
Yep, that was a bear charging at him in his house in the middle of the night.
Good God, man!
I told you, of all the crazy scenarios that I've played out in my mind, this is not one of them. This dude handled his freaking business. Let's talk about what he did right and what we can learn from this. I loved that he is armed and ready to go. He's got his AR-15 with a really nice light mounted to it, and it's pretty obvious that he's pretty darn confident with his rifle. He got accurate shots on target really quickly. I've done a couple videos on the main channel that I'll link down in the description about choosing a home defense gun. But whether you choose a rifle, a shotgun, or a handgun for home defense, you need to have a light mounted on it. Because if you need to use it at night, you need to be able to get both hands on the gun and go to work. And if there was ever a scenario where I would rather have a rifle, this is it. The one thing that I would say, not knowing this guy's situation, is that you do have to think about what the best tactical decision is if you hear a bump in the night. I know that the gut reaction as a dude is often to just jump up, grab your gun, and go find the threat. But it may be a smarter decision to get in a good position in your bedroom, ready to fight, and call the police and stay in that good position rather than coming out into the open and putting yourself at risk. Now, obviously, this completely changes if you've got kids or other relatives in the house. I've got 3 kids, so I'm gonna be clearing rooms until I get to my kids and make sure that they're safe. But you have to think about what's best for you and your family. To me, this looks like a pretty small black bear, although I don't care what size it is. If it's in my house charging at me, it's getting shot. But it is pretty rare for them to be aggressive towards humans, but they do like to get into trash and snoop around to try to find food. I'm pretty sure I heard the homeowner say that the bear came in through the screen of the window.
No, it came to the screen.
Now, if you live in grizzly country, then this could be a much more likely threat for you. There's several videos online where grizzly bears just kick in the front door to find food, and they can be much more aggressive towards humans. But bears can be a real danger that not a lot of people think about. This guy did an amazing job putting the bear down quickly without getting hurt. But this could have gone down very differently.
I saw that going differently in my mind.
If that bear would have gotten a hold of him before he could end the fight, then even if he would have won the fight, he could have had some really serious injuries to deal with. Bear attacks are no joke. The same is true if you have to fight an armed home invader. Even if you win a fight, there's no guarantee that you're gonna come out without being wounded, and you could bleed to death waiting on an ambulance. You need to have a trauma kit in your house in case something like this happens. The one that I use is from Mountain Man Medical. I'll put my affiliate link down in the description. But what gun do you use for your home defense? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more self-defense breakdowns. And if you're into all things concealed carry, then don't forget to check out the main channel, Modern Protector. I'll link it in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.